In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Bank of America. Whether you're looking to discuss a new loan, explore investment opportunities, or simply need to address ongoing banking needs, scheduling an appointment is a convenient way to ensure you have dedicated time with a financial specialist. Let's walk through the steps to make that appointment hassle-free. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the Bank of America website. Head over to your preferred web browser and enter bankofamerica.com in the address bar. It's important you land on the official website to ensure your personal information remains secure as you proceed. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. It's designed to provide a wide range of resources, so it's worth getting accustomed to the layout. Next, you'll want to locate the option to schedule an appointment. Typically, this can be found on the main page. Look for a link or button that says Schedule an Appointment. Click on that, and it should direct you to the appointment scheduling section. This feature is especially useful if you're planning to visit a branch, as it can help reduce waiting time. Now, you'll be prompted to log in to your account. Use your secure username and password to get into your personal banking area. This step is crucial because it allows the bank to tailor the appointment to your specific accounts and needs. If you've forgotten your login details, there are usually options to recover or reset them, so don't worry. After logging in, you'll need to decide on the type of appointment you require. Bank of America offers various services, from account inquiries to mortgage discussions. Select the type that best suits your needs. Once chosen, the system will narrow down suitable personnel and branches that can accommodate your specific request. Following that, it's time to pick a location. Depending on your preference or availability, you can select a branch that's most convenient for you. It might be a good idea to consider factors such as distance and availability of services at the branch before finalizing your choice. The subsequent phase is to pick a date and time for your appointment. The site will provide you with available slots, enabling you to choose the most suitable time for your schedule. Try to book a slot when you can ensure availability, allowing ample time for your discussion with the bank representative. Following the selection of your date and time, you'll be asked to enter your contact information. This is essential for confirmation purposes and also allows the bank to reach you if necessary. Double check to ensure that all details are correct to avoid any mix-ups. Finally, with all details filled in, you'll proceed to confirm your appointment. Review everything one last time, from the branch location, type of service, to the date and time. Once you're certain all the information is accurate, hit that confirm button. You'll usually receive a confirmation email or message, so keep an eye on your inbox. And there you have it. A straightforward way to schedule an appointment with Bank of America. By following these steps, you're set to have a productive meeting with your banking specialist. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your financial endeavors.